Hi, this is Jason Molesky. In this example, we'll take a look at interpreting a confidence interval and a confidence level. The Pew Internet and American Life project asked a random sample of 2,253 adults, do you ever use Twitter or another service to share updates about yourself or to see updates about others? Of the sample, 19% said yes. According to Pew, the resulting 95% confidence interval is from 0.167 to 0.213. Interpret the confidence interval and the confidence level. Well, for the interval, we know that we are 95% confident that the interval from 0.167 to 0.213 contains the true proportion P of all US adults who use Twitter or another service for updates. Notice there are a few important things to include when interpreting an interval. Number one, we want to make sure that we say the confidence level itself. Here we're 95% confident. Next, we want to state the interval, in this case from 0.167 to 0.213, and then we want to make sure we note that we contain the true proportion or the true parameter that we're interested in the context of the problem. Now to interpret the level, we want to remember that the confidence level tells us how likely it is that the method we're using will produce an interval that captures the true population parameter if we were to use it many, many times. So in this case, if many samples of 2,253 US adults were taken, the resulting confidence intervals would capture the true proportion of all US adults who use Twitter or another service for updates for about 95% of those samples. In other words, if we built lots and lots and lots of different confidence intervals from lots and lots of different samples, all of the same size, roughly 95% of those samples would contain the true parameter. For some additional practice in interpreting confidence intervals and confidence levels, try exercise 15.